for Cipher Forensics. The topic is working with the Windows and DOS system, presented by Anuja RAPCSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Working with Windows and DOS system, the purpose and structure of file system, understanding file system. The file system is given as operating system, a roadmap to data on a disk. Types of file system on operating system users determine how data is stored on the disk. When you need to access suspect's computer to acquire or inspect data, you should be familiar with both the computer's operating system as file system. Understanding the boot sequence, the computer stores system configuration and data, date and time information in the CMOS when power to the system is off, but basic input and output system or extensible firewall interface containing performs that perform input and output at the hardware level. Bootstrap process contain the ROM, tells the computer how to proceed, and also display the key or keys you press to open the CMOS setup screen. CMOS should be modified to boot from the forensic floppy disk or CD. Understanding the disk drive. Disk drives are made up of one or more platters coated with a magnetic material. The disk drive components are geometry, head, track, cylinders and sector. The properties handled at the drive as hardware or firmware level, that is zone bit recording, track density, areal density, head and cylinder skew solid state storage devices. A flash memory device have a feature called wear leveling. When dealing with a solid state devices, making a full forensic copy as soon as possible is crucial. Then exploring Microsoft file system. The Microsoft file structure sectors are grouped into the form of clusters, storage allocation units of one or more sectors. Cluster range from 512 bytes up to 32,000 bytes each. Combining sectors, minimizing the overhead of writing or reading file to disk. And the first sector of all disk containing a system area, the boot record and the file structure database. The operating system assign these cluster numbers called a logical address. Disk partitioning. A partition is a logical drive. Windows operating system can have 3 primary partitions followed by an expanded partition that can contain one or more logical drives. That is a hidden partition or void partition gap. The partition table is the master boot record and it is located as a sector 0 of the disk drive. The MBR stores information about partition on the disk and their location, size and other important items. The hexadecimal editor such as the WinHex, you can find the first partition of the offset, that is 0 into 1. The file system hexadecimal code is offset 3 bytes from 0 into 1 PE from the file first partitioning. Thank you.